Hello, Dr. Mati here. I would like for you to see how we're doing our CEREC crowns. Amazing technology. All designed in the office, fabricated here in the office, and best fit, best look. It doesn't get any better than that. Please give it a try.
CEREC is the unique CAD/CAM system for patient individual, all ceramic restorations in one single appointment. It is the most used dental CAD/CAM system worldwide, creating high aesthetic, metal-free restorations without the need of impressions or temporaries. The process starts with the digital scan of the teeth using the CEREC 3D intraoral camera. By simply gliding the camera over the teeth, a full-color 3D model of the teeth is generated. The CEREC software allows the dentist to design a restoration quickly and easily without compromising precision and beauty. After the design, the dentist simply fabricates the restoration using a ceramic block in a CEREC milling unit. After finalizing the restoration, it is seated in the patient's mouth. See for yourself the beauty and power of single-visit dentistry. Only CEREC products offer market-leading, cutting-edge technology and incomparable training and support for all of its users. And only CEREC is changing the way the world sees dentistry, one smile at a time.